Zolimo nokuthuthukiswa kwezindawo zasemakhaya eGauteng, uVuyiswa Ramokgopa uthi kubalulekile ukuthi abafundi bafundiswe amakhono abalulekile ezikoleni ukuze baqinisekise ukuthi bayakwazi ukuphila ngaphandle. uRamokgopa kusho lokhu ngesikhathi enikeza isikole iMandisa Shiceka School of Specialization eKagiso izihlahla zesithelo ekuqaleni kwanamhlanje. Lokhu kuyingxenye yemizamo kahulumeni wesifundazwe yokuhlomisa abafundi ngokuthuthukiswa kwamakhono abangawasebenzisa ukwenza ngcono umnotho.
Ungqongqoshe wezolimo nokuthuthukiswa kwezindawo zasemakhaya esifundazweni saseGoli, uVuyiswa Ramokgopa, uhambele isikole samabanga aphezulu eKagiso iMandisa Shiceka School of Specialization ukuyonikela ngezihlahla zezithelo ezidliwayo ukukhuthaza ukubaluleka kokudla.
We are adopting this school, Mandisa Shiceka, a school of specialization, and the main part of today's program is that we have been planting some fruit trees, really encouraging young people to follow agriculture as a career, and the principal has also announced that the school will also be launching an agri-tech program. So this is really part of our broader initiative as the Gauteng government to support schools, particularly schools of specialization, investing in the skills of the future. But from our side as Department of Agriculture, it's about promoting food security.
Onguthishanhloko walesi sikole umnumzane omkhulu Sikhosana uthi ke lo hlelo balwamukela ngezifudumele.
We're so excited. It is our dream come true because as a school we're offering skills, and we'll be introducing next year agri-tech as a subject as well. So it is very important for us that we have a partner that will enable the program to be successful. We've shared a vision with the MEC, and she embraced it, and we are very excited for the opportunity as the school.
uRamokgopa uphinde wagcizelela ukuthi bazohambela izikole ezingadluli kwama200 esifundazweni ngalolu hlelo ukuhlomisa abafundi nezikole ngokudla abazitshalela khona. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu ngiseKagiso.